Good afternoon, Mr. Cherry. Today we're going to talk about the abstract on the extended essay. What is the abstract and why is it important?
The abstract is basically a summary of your extended essay, and it is the last thing that you should write. However, because of its position within the extended essay, many students misunderstand that they have to write it at the very end of the whole process. And sometimes abstracts are written before they actually begin with the investigation. Since it is a summary, it is important to remember that the abstract should be written as a final point, because it will allow the examiner to exactly know what your extended essay was about, right? Your research question, your scope of investigation, and the conclusion that you basically obtain. It should come right after the title page, and it should not go over 300 words. And it's important also that your abstract page includes the word count at the bottom of it, right? But very, very important. If you go over the 300 words, you will score a 0. So you don't want to do that.
Okay. And on the abstract, it's placed structurally in the beginning of your paper.
Structurally. Only structurally.
Structurally.
But it doesn't mean that it has to be written first.
But in actuality, it's done at the end of your paper.
At the very end of everything.
At the very end of
That
everything.
is correct.
And it should include points of each section?
No. Basically, because you only have 300 words, there are 3 important elements that you must include in your abstract. The first one is your research question. It has to be mentioned clearly there. The second is the approach that you follow in your investigation. In other words, the scope of your investigation. How you set to investigate your topic. And the last element, what your conclusion was.
Okay. Thank you very much.